Xiaomi have started rolling their latest MIUI 10 update for many devices in India. And without waiting too long, Redmi Note 5 users have started receiving this update on their devices. So today we'll check out what's new in MIUI 10 update for Redmi Note 5 and see what major changes you get along with this update. So this MIUI 10 stable update is based on Android 8.1 with August security patch on this Redmi Note 5. The first major change you notice is how the new notification panel is redesigned. Now it looks more like the notification panel found on Android 9.0 Pie. You see the new pop-up animation for quick toggle when you swipe the notification shade. The notification on MIUI 10 have a rounded UI just like the Android 9. Snoozing your notifications is still present and it can be snoozed for up to 1 hour. You can even manage your notification right from the notification panel itself. The brightness slider is now more bigger and visible and it takes more area in the notification panel. The new volume panel also looks the same like how it looks on Android 9.0, situated next to the volume buttons. And the silent option and DND mode is below the volume buttons. You can customize the time for keeping your phone on silent mode or DND mode. The next major change is in the recent panel. Now it gets a new vertical scrolling panel instead of a horizontal page. Now you have to swipe left or swipe right to clear your recent application, or you can close all of your recent tabs altogether. Pressing on your recent tab will allow you to lock the application or enable the multi-window option. The full screen gestures work exactly the same way how it works on other Xiaomi devices. For switching between two recent tabs, swipe and hold from the side of the phone to switch recent tabs. It will take some time, but this feature works flawlessly. Xiaomi have built in different nature sounds for your notification if you don't like the default notification sound. They have also changed the sound for unlocking and locking your phone. Xiaomi claims the applications will now open much faster with the help of AI by keeping all of your used applications in the memory and minimizing the loading time of your applications. The application manager also gets a UI change that shows the useful stats of your applications. Uninstalling multiple apps together is now more easy and simple. Select the applications that you want to uninstall and press the uninstall option. You can do the same for your home page too. Other features like picture-in-picture mode works fine with your browser and Google Maps. Reading mode enables the night filter so you don't have to stress on your eyes while reading long articles. The traditional MIUI features are also present here like gesture shortcuts, Second space for protecting your privacy, dual apps feature, and also built-in app locker. So these are the new UI changes and improvements in MIUI 10 update for the Redmi Note 5, making it feel like Android 9.0 Pie with other useful features included. So if you find this video helpful, then like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. Till then, keep loving your gadgets.